It's normal for your washer to make some operational sounds during a wash cycle. But if it's making too much noise or vibrating excessively, we have some easy troubleshooting tips to help quiet it down. First, make sure your washer is installed on a level, solid surface. If the floor is uneven, adjust the washer's leveling feet until the unit is nice and level. Next, make sure the washer is not in contact with any other objects around its outside. If you have a front-loading washer, confirm that the shipping bolts are removed. If you have a top-loading washer, you don't have to worry about these bolts. When it's time to put up a load, remove metal objects such as coins from your clothes to prevent clanging sounds. Also, clothing with metal decorations, like buttons or zippers, tend to make noise during a wash. You can turn these garments inside out to lessen the noise. Additionally, certain items, like heavy or waterproof items, can make thumping or knocking sounds when they're washed alone in a cycle. Finally, make sure the load is balanced because this can cause vibrations or sounds too. Remember, it's normal for the washer's motor to create noise during a cycle. When the load finishes, check if any metal objects fell into the tub. Remove these objects to stop noise from happening in the next wash. If you ever hear a squeaking or squealing sound while running the washer, immediately stop the cycle and turn off the unit. You'll need to set up service with Samsung support.